How to change Instagram music length. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Instagram music length. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now click on your story. Click on, for example, camera. Now I'm gonna take a photo. For example, this is it. Now all I need to do is click on the sticker icon up there, that face, and now click on music, choose a random music. Like you see beside this timer, there is a 15-second. Click on it and choose 10 second, 9, 8, or 15 second. Done. And you can also change the part. You should know that this option doesn't exist on if you are recording a video. It's only on pictures. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.